Hello everybody. Today we're gonna talk about project Effect.AI, which creates an open, decentralized ecosystem that will provide an alternative to the projects such as Amazon Mechanical Turk, OneSpace, and so on. Effect.AI will work fully on intellectual contracts based on the NEA unit. So artificial intelligence has many advantages, but despite this, there are so many problems. All problems can be divided into three areas that impede research in this industry. So the first problem is data processing. Those applications are trained by processing large areas of annotations. So the second one is divergent problems that make it difficult to develop a complex algorithm that require interaction with parts of the world. For example, an autonomous car without a driver must identify all the signs that exist in the world and know the rules of the road. So the last third problem is the computational cost of algorithm for artificial intelligence. One of the most expensive and intensive tasks is the development of the training of artificial intelligence, and this requires a technical infrastructure that will process enormous amounts of information. The network does not require commission, it has a low entry barrier and is divided into three separate phases, so-called mechanical Turkmen, second is a smart market, and the last one is effect network. So let's start with the first phase. So Mechanical Turk Effect is private decentralized market for work and requires human intelligence. Application can create tasks called human intelligence objectives, which must be performed by workers in exchange for compensation. Those tasks are described using smart contracts on the blockchain. The second phase is a smart market. The smart market effect will become a decentralized market where algorithms can exchange their services with users and with each other. Owners of the application can register their artificial intelligent product and specify a price or a fee of use, and those applications are available to every user. So the third phase is effective network. Up to a third phase, algorithm will work on a centralized servers. The final network phase of the effect network will put those algorithms on a blockchain so they are executed globally through the NEO blockchain. But how advanced is this project? The draft algorithms of Effect.AI began in the second quarter of 2016, and the first implementation of this algorithm on the website occurred in the second quarter of 2017. After this implementation, the idea was born to put Effect.AI on the chain. Thanks to the blockchain, you can provide a link between supply and demand. You can implement the transparency of the network, which will lead to high degree of trust between agents. Thanks to blockchain system, it is also possible to diversify knowledge and make artificial intelligence more accessible. So among advantages of the web effect.ai are the following. The first one is availability. Platform makes a direct link between supply and demand, thereby making artificial intelligence algorithms easier and faster and cheaper. The next advantage is accuracy. As a Effect Smart Market or ESM, thanks to this application, you can find separate applications to buy and sell information. The next advantage is performance. Users can buy services from ESM algorithms or can customize new sets using the EMT algorithm, which allows them to quickly and accurately use the datasets for learning artificial intelligence. And the last one is interactions. Thanks to a combination of many algorithms, it is possible to achieve the appearance of new intellects, which no artificial intelligent algorithm can achieve by itself. So, as for tokens, their use will be available after the end of the third phase of the project. System tokens will be called EFX. EFX token will work on the NEO blockchain system on the NIP5 token standard. With the help of tokens, customers will pay with users of the system for services on the smart market. As about initial coin offering, the public sale of tokens is scheduled for March this year. This sale will last 18 days. As we see, the project is quite interesting. We will follow its development, but the third phase will not be finished soon. So I wish all of us to have more patience and faith in the crypto, because this is what is already changing the world. Perhaps that's all for today. I hope this information was useful for you. Thank you for your attention.